nature notes. Have you ever been outside at night and heard this call? If you have guessed, that is our barred owl. And these birds get their name barred from the barring on their chest, which is a brown and white color, which they carry onto their backs, which is not barred but molted. And if you look really close at their eyes, you can tell that they're a dark brown, almost black color. And to compare them for size, they are smaller than the great horned owl, but are larger than our barn owls, and they are also slightly larger than crows as well. If you think about how large their wingspan is, it's about 39 inches to about 43 inches, which is about 3 feet to 3.5 feet. And these owls like to eat all kinds of small animals, from squirrels and chipmunks to rabbits and voles, and they'll eat birds up to the size of a grouse, and they'll also eat amphibians, reptiles, and invertebrates. As they are owls, they will mainly hunt after sunset and during the night, but they have been seen hunting during the day. And they are also known to temporarily store food in their nests. These birds are mainly found on the eastern side of the United States, up into Canada, and have recently moved into the Northwest Pacific region, where they're kind of pushing out the, what is it, I don't know. Is it the screech? I think it's the screech owl. No, I don't remember, and I just read it. And they're also hybridizing with that bird, that owl they're pushing out. So, yeah. And they are found in these places year-round when they really don't migrate much. There was a study that the Cornell University Ornithology Lab talks about, where there was 158 birds banded, and then they were recaught, and the furthest any of them had moved was about 6 miles. Barred owls also seem to mate for life, although this isn't 100% positive on that one. And they will raise one brood or one group of chicks per year. And since they are nesting, they do become more aggressive during their nesting season. And the female will lay about 1 to 5 eggs per year. And they like to make their nests in tree cavities up to 20 to 40 feet high in large trees with natural cavities. But they are not opposed to using stick platforms created by other birds like hawks, crows, ravens, squirrels. They'll even use human-made nest box. And the birds incubate their eggs for about 28 to 33 days, and then the nestlings will be in the nest for about the same amount of time, which is about 28 to 35 days. Interesting thing about the young, they can actually climb trees, and they do this by grasping at the bark with their beak and talons, and then flapping their wings so they can walk up the tree. That is all I have today on barred owls. Thank you for watching Nature Notes.